Oh, we're filming a little product shoot of some of the prizes for the film fest. Here's a little sneak peek. Oh, you see that? Pretty cool. So make sure to get it next time.
And what's this new piece we got here?
This is Aperture Amaran 100X softbox light. It's dope. Tyler got it, so we're testing it out today.
Why is lighting so important?
Because if you have bad light, it doesn't matter how good your camera is if you have bad light. Yeah, so that's why we got this big light.
Say it again.
Oh man. Lighting's so important because, I don't know, it's key. Okay, I got it. Why is lighting so important? Lighting's so important because you need light to see things. And it doesn't matter how good your camera is. If you can't see it, it's not going to be a good video. So the first step of a good video and making it a good whatever, light. Lighting's key. That's why we got this thing. I imagine someone like coming by and like setting it there, pushing it up. You know. Okay, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna take this box. I don't know if you want
Any
to
bit behind you?
Spin.
You need to land vertical like that, yeah?
Ideally, I had a pipe. Whose idea was this big of crystal? Oh, look at it. It looks so bad.